Sure. Let's go, Orange! Get in there, Orange! Don't wait for it to come. Okay, never mind. Stop yelling now.
Yes, it is.
Here you go. Get in there, Orange!
Nice job, Jacob.
Good job. Good hustle, Jacob. Come on, Emmanuel. Big kick. Okay, it's yours, Bennett. Get in there, Bennett. Get in there. It's yours, Bennett. Jacob. So close. So close. It's one this year. Watch it, defense. Big kick, Garrett. Big kick. Good job, Garrett. Turn it around, Bennett. Big kick, Emmanuel. Remember that you got teammates. Go, go, go. It's yours, Isaac. You got a teammate. Turn it around, Isaac. Help Isaac out, Tim. Good job, Tim. Bennett, be ready. Good job, Bennett. Help. Jump in there, Master. Don't mind you down there. Yeah, hey, listen. I'm just shouting people's names at this point. I'm so excited. Big kick, Tim. Good job. Get in there. Isaac, pass it to Bennett.
Center it.
Center it.
Emmanuel, center.
Oh, so close.
Get ready, Garrett.
Get ready, Garrett. Get ready, James. Get ready, Massart.
Nice, Garrett.
Good job, Garrett. Big kicks. Okay. Get in there, you guys. Get over there, Jacob. Help him out. Center it. Center it.
Do it again, Tim. Keep back.
Get in there, Jacob. It's yours, Isaac. You got Bennett. Keep moving, Bennett. Help him out. Give him a target.
Orange, get up there. Give him somewhere to throw.
Good throw in.
To the center, Jacob.
Center it, you guys. Center it.
I want them to stay in the center.
That's what I mean. That's what I'm saying. Center.
The sun is very bright.
Okay, guys. Be ready for it.
Nice kick.
Nice kick, Purple. Get in there, Tim.
Nice.
Good job, Tim. Do it again.
Nice hustle.
Work together. Work together.
Nice pass.
Good pass, Emmanuel. Good job, Isaac. Jacob. Get up there. You got Bennett, Isaac. Center it. Give him someone to pass to. Whatever. Keep moving. Keep moving. Good throwing. Good throwing. Get in there, buddies.
Nice job, Isaac.
Jacob. Good job, Orange.
Tim.
Nope.
Tim, take the kick. Orange, to the center.
To the center, Orange.
Watch the backside.
Because he can kick it that far. Big kick, Tim.
Big kick, Tim. Show me what you can do.
No pressure.
Good kick, Tim. Good kick. Get in there. Help him out. Good pass. Come on. Get in there, number. Come on.
Nice.
Nice. Good passing, you guys. Good passing.
How you doing, Brandon? You ready to go back in? Yeah. Over.
Set quick. Get that back.
Okay, Orange, turn it right around.
You can't be that much.
Big kick.
Nice job, James.
Good job, James. Good job, Emmanuel. Get up there, Jacob. Come on, Tim. Show him what you can do.
Nice, Jacob.
Good job, Jake. Do it again. Do it again.
That's our kid.
I know. Come on, defense. Make sure you're there to help out.
Watch the center, Garrett. Nice.
Nice catch, Jay. Woo! Big kicks. Get up there, Orange. Come on, help him out. Don't let him pass you, Garrett. Good job.
Mark him up, boys.
Logan, come on.
Great job, Garrett.
Oi. 10. Too many purple.
Good job, Bennett. Get it out of there. Come on, Jacob. Help Bennett out. Jacob, get in there. Good job, Jake. Come on, Isaac. Orange, big kick. Good passing. Good job, Bennett. Jacob, keep up with Bennett. Come on, Bennett, it's yours. Oh, Emmanuel. Good job, buddy. Big kicks. Good job, Emmanuel. You could probably pull Jake. Okay, then take someone else out.
Orange, anyone tired? I am.
Come on out. Thank you, Raf.
Good job.
Good job.